Yeah, we are hunnuh children right here in Bluffton. This week, Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Center building. Got my chance to sit on the porch finally. But we out here flexing on them, Gullah Geechee family. Gotta give it up to Chef B, Bridget Fraser, at this grand opening for my Disney's Porch. What a blessing, right here in Bluffton. You see, we buy to a boat, we bottle tree, all of that. Look at this shit. Peace, love, and blessings, hunnuh children. You know who this shall be. This shall the Queen Quet, head hunnuh body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. We out here flexing on them in Bluffton, South Kakalaki. Juneteenth 2025. We are alive. This year, the Bluffton Gullah Cultural Heritage Center. We proud to cut the ribbon on that, y'all. But the D, look at the blessings what's going on at my Disney's Porch. We out here flexing on them. Thank you, Sister Bridget Fraser. Job well done, Chef B. Because we know who we be. We be Gullah Geechee anointed people. Come here and flex with me in the Gullah Geechee Nation. Peace, love, and blessings, y'all. This is the Queen Quet, head hunnuh body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. This one for my family, y'all. Come on, y'all. We in this backyard, yeah. In Bluffton, we getting them in, yeah. Good. All we wanna do is dance. Get up, put it down, spin it all around. This how you party with me. We in the front yard. Oh, there she go, y'all. Front yard getting it in. That's right, we in Bluffton getting it in, y'all. Oh, yes. Oh, it feels so great in here. What a blessing. Oh, the new pants smelling, everything. Wow. Look, y'all, look at the timeline. Yeah, see that? Look what we doing. We getting them in. I tell y'all, the dead coming soon. Y'all better be here. Cut this ribbon with we. We right there in Bluffton, South Kakalaki in the Gullah Geechee Nation. We getting it in at the Bluffton Gullah Cultural Heritage Center and Disney's Porch. The party, why I tell y'all a while ago, we out here flexing on them, y'all. This is the Queen Quet, head hunnuh body of the Gullah Geechee Nation, that's so proud to say, on the board of this Bluffton Gullah Cultural Heritage Center with my gal Giovanni and Bridget. So y'all gonna see what we got for you. Oh, y'all, the children ain't gonna know what to do but say bum 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 bum. Y'all gonna be right here getting them in with we. All right, did coming soon. Peace, love, and blessing, everybody. Peace, love, and blessings, hunnuh children. Y'all getting a little preview right here. Well, who this y'all?
Glover, Executive Director of the Bluffton Gullah Cultural Heritage Center, invite you to come out and join We have, as a fundraiser, our paint blue bottles for our 2 bottle trees here on the property. You can be a part of protecting the Gullah Cultural Heritage Center here in Bluffton and Ma Daisy's Porch by purchasing a bottle at $1,000.
I'm about to say, gal, you would give them on sale, ain't it?
No
you better
sale
say that
today.
thing again.
And no sale today. You can have your bottle etched with your family's name. You can have your bottle etched with your name in memory of a loved one, an organization, or a business. Come to www.bluffdongullah.org. Our peace and protection bottles are available for you.
$1,500 now. $1,500.
Yes, $1,500.
Yes, and then we also see the iconic Gullah Geechee sweetgrass baskets. Who make these?
Lily off of the island. Lily
On Centennial Island.
But she's also, her home is Mount Pleasant.
It's Mount Pleasant. Y'all know that, the home of the sweetgrass. So if y'all come by, you can buy a sweetgrass basket too.
Right.
For the fundraiser. But look
Follow us on all social media platforms at Bluffton Gullah. So that's IG and Instagram. And don't forget our website is www.bluffdongullah.org.
There you go. So, hunnuh chillin', y'all have to come on, join we, and this a way you can join we and have this here on the bottle tree with dear red outside, and that thing made by one of we aunt blacksmith and everything. Tell them about them.
So yes, we had a Gullah Smith is what we call them here at the Gullah Cultural Heritage Center. Julian from Charleston, he was an apprentice under Mr. Simmons, and we've seen his work all throughout Charleston. So you know Julian came with the fire when he came with his machinery here. So come and support, come and see it, take a picture, learn a story about bottle trees. Come visit us here at the Bluffton Gullah Cultural Heritage Center, 1255 Main River Road, Bluffton, South Carolina, 29910.
All right, hunnuh chillin', we going to see hunnuh chillin' there in Bluffton, South Kakalaki, in the Gullah Geechee Nation. And hunnuh chillin' know if you there with me, hunnuh going to know this year the what going on. Peace, love, and blessings, Giovanni.